Why is every health-conscious person suddenly obsessed with cinnamon-mixed hibiscus tea? There's a reason this vibrant and aromatic tea is making waves in the wellness world. For centuries, Caribbean and Ayurvedic traditions have blended cinnamon and hibiscus for healing. Now, modern studies confirm it's packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Whether you want to support heart health, balance blood sugar, or promote glowing skin, this combination delivers impressive results. Stick around because today, I'm going to show you why everyone is raving about this tea, how to make it, and the surprising benefits you can expect. So, let's get started. First, why is cinnamon-mixed hibiscus tea gaining so much attention? Well, let me break it down for you. Both ingredients on their own are packed with health-boosting properties, but together they create a powerhouse drink that works wonders for your body. Hibiscus is loaded with antioxidants and is known for its ability to lower blood pressure, support liver health, and even aid in weight management. But did you know it also has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging effects? Cinnamon, on the other hand, is famous for stabilizing blood sugar, improving digestion, and boosting metabolism. It's also packed with antibacterial properties that support immune health. When combined, these two ingredients amplify each other's effects, creating a tea that not only tastes amazing, but also delivers fast and powerful health benefits. Let's dive into the key reasons why you should start drinking cinnamon-mixed hibiscus tea today. First, this tea is a powerhouse for heart health. Hibiscus is widely known for its ability to lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol, which helps protect your heart from strain. Cinnamon supports this by improving circulation and reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Together, they work to prevent arterial stiffness, lower the risk of heart disease, and enhance overall cardiovascular health. Next, this tea acts as a natural immune booster. Hibiscus is packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that help fight off infections, while cinnamon has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Drinking this tea regularly strengthens your immune system, helping your body defend against seasonal colds, flu, and even respiratory infections. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe a sore throat and clear congestion. Next, for those looking to stabilize blood sugar levels, this combination is highly effective. Hibiscus has been shown to support insulin sensitivity, while cinnamon helps lower blood sugar spikes by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. Studies suggest that drinking this tea can improve glucose metabolism and may help reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Next, if weight management is a goal, this tea can be a great addition to your routine. Hibiscus helps prevent fat accumulation and reduces bloating, while cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and boosts metabolism. This combination helps control cravings, enhances digestion, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a key role in weight regulation. Next, it promotes digestive health. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and this tea provides excellent digestive support. Hibiscus acts as a mild diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and reduce water retention. Cinnamon soothes the digestive tract, reduces bloating, and helps with indigestion. If you experience stomach discomfort after meals, a warm cup of this tea may provide quick relief. Next, it supports skin and hair health. This tea isn't just great for internal health, it also benefits your skin and hair. The antioxidants in hibiscus help fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging and promoting a natural glow. Cinnamon's antibacterial properties help combat acne, breakouts, and skin infections. Additionally, drinking this tea improves scalp health, strengthens hair follicles, and promotes healthy hair growth. Another key benefit is its ability to reduce stress and improve mood. Hibiscus has mild sedative properties that help calm the nervous system and lower cortisol levels, while cinnamon's warming effect improves circulation and reduces mental fatigue. Drinking this tea can help you feel more relaxed, improve sleep quality, and even boost brain function and memory. Next, it supports hormonal balance. For women, this tea can be especially beneficial for hormonal balance. Hibiscus helps regulate estrogen levels, making it useful for easing menstrual cramps and symptoms of menopause. Cinnamon, on the other hand, supports reproductive health and regulates blood sugar, which is crucial for managing conditions like PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. Further, it boosts liver and kidney health. Hibiscus has been found to support liver detoxification by helping eliminate harmful toxins. It also reduces fat accumulation in the liver, making it an excellent drink for those looking to support their body's natural detox processes. Cinnamon adds further support by reducing inflammation and supporting kidney function. All these benefits are great for your health, right? Now, how can you make this powerful tea at home? It's simple. Boil 1 cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus petals, along with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or 1 small cinnamon stick. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. You can drink it as is, or add a touch of raw honey or lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Drink this tea once or twice daily for the best results. Still, there are other ways to use this tea for specific health concerns. If you want to know how to use it for issues like hormonal balance, digestion, or inflammation, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to support us. And if you are a new viewer, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our wellness tips. And if you've already tried this tea, tell me how it worked for you in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.